Here we have an introduction to numbers. We are aiming to show why two negatives make a positive. The number line has several components. It has a positive direction and a negative direction. There are positive numbers and negative numbers. To make things clear later, I have put a plus sign in front of the positive numbers. You see where it says 0. This is called the origin. For this presentation, we will only be concerned with integers. Integers are whole numbers, no fractions, no decimals, and no square roots. In this part, we will show how we add numbers. As I said, this may look easy, but we will get the benefits later. And don't forget, integers are whole numbers. In this slide, I have rotated the number line to make it vertical. This will represent a bank account. You can see we have £30 in the account. Now we will add £20 to make it £50. To express this in mathematical terms, we have positive 30 plus positive 20, and the plus in the middle is called the operator. That tells you what to do. In this slide, we will deal with multiplying numbers. It is the same as adding numbers many times. Let us add £10 4 times. Now we have £40 in the account. This would be the same as adding £4 10 times. Multiplication is commutative. We will come to that later. This time we will subtract £30 from the account. Subtraction is the opposite of adding. Now you will see that the red dot moves in the negative direction. In mathematical terms, we have positive 40 minus positive 30. The minus sign again is the operator. And now we come to subtracting negative numbers. This is what we've been building up to, because it's rather tricky. To suppose we have £20 in the account, and £20 is subtracted for your phone contract. The company made a mistake, and now they have taken another £20 away. And now we tell the phone company about their mistake. And this is the crucial point. The phone company takes away the negative £20. In mathematical terms, we have minus 20 minus minus 20, which is the same as minus 20 plus 20, taking us back to 0. Here is the mathematical term from the previous slide. Minus 20 minus minus 20. As I said, two minuses make a plus. So now we can rewrite this as minus 20 plus 20. We can also change the order of the numbers, and it becomes 20 minus 20, which equals 0. Numbers are negative or positive or 0, but technically 0 has been defined as a positive number. Operations can be in the positive or negative direction. Most important, two minuses make a positive. The consequences of two negatives making a positive is if you multiply two negative numbers, you get a positive number. Further, because of this, when you square a negative number, you get a positive number. For example, -2 times -2 equals 4. We will deal with this in more detail later. In order to proceed, it would benefit you to understand the video A1, An Introduction to Algebra. In the introduction, I say the language of math is algebra. Armed with this understanding of algebra, the next section on numbers will be much easier to understand.